In lesson 3.4, which is part 3 of the outline of a feasibility study, we are going to take a look at the 3 final sections of a feasibility study. In section 6, which is financial statements and projections, this is where you're going to want to define your projected revenues, operating costs, and net income. This will also help you to really understand the financial side. Obviously, these are projections, but you want to be able to see that the revenues exceed your operating costs, and that your net income is positive. At least, obviously when you get started, you're going to possibly maybe not more expenses than revenue, but this will be a great way to do any kind of charts or data sheets to kind of portray that this is a practical and a viable idea, because it will be able to sustain itself financially. You want to provide a break-even analysis, any pro forma cash flow statements, income, balance sheet, source of funds. A lot of this, again, is you can do this based on a competitor that may be similar to you, or you can do it in a projection format. And you want to summarize the financial plan as this is a viable option and this is how it's viable from a financial standpoint. Your section 7, which is summary and recommendations, you should provide a very specific and concise summarization of the major findings. So you want to, it's more than the executive summary of saying, here's what's coming in my feasibility study, and the summary and recommendation says, okay, this is what this product or service will do and what it will do in the marketplace, and also here are my recommendations, and then of course a conclusion. And that will complete your feasibility study. And then finally, your appendix. This would include any financial statements and spreadsheets that you've referenced in section 6.